Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Allied School YouTube channel. This video is for nursery and prep class. In this lesson, students are introduced to add family words. By the end of this video, students will be able to read and write add family words, recognize some objects and their names through pictures. Student, let's start our lesson. Let's learn add family words. Add family words. When you learn them, they can help you read and write. Each one is different. Each one is different as they begin, but they all have at the end. Remember, each one is different. You can see here, each one is different as they begin, but they all have at the end. Now look, listen and say the words. At, 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 cat, cat. Read after me. Cat, cat, cat. Read this word. Cat, cat, cat. F, f, f. A, t, at, f, at, fat, fat, fat. Now you read. Good. Fat, 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 fat. Look at this cat. You know this is cat. A fat cat. A fat cat. A fat cat. A fat cat. Ha, ha, at, ha, at, hat, hat. Read after me. Hat, hat. Cat is wearing a hat. A hat on a cat. A hat on a cat. Now you read. Good. Good. A hat on a cat. Look at this. What is this? This is a mat. At, mat. At, mat. Read. Mat, mat, mat. Read after me. Mat. A cat is on the mat. A cat on a mat. Read. A cat on a mat. Now you read. Very nice. A cat on a mat. Yes, this boy is sad. At, sat. At, sat. Read. Sat, sat, sat. This fat cat. This is a fat cat. You look fat cat. A fat cat sat on a mat. A fat cat sat on a mat. Now you read. A mat. Very nice. A fat cat sat on a mat. A fat cat sat on a mat. What is this? This is a rat. R, r, at, r, at, rat, r, at, rat, rat. Read after me. Rat, rat. A fat rat sat on a mat. Look at this fat rat sat on a mat. Read. A fat rat, a fat rat sat on a mat. A fat rat sat on a mat. Now you read. Very nice. A fat rat sat on a mat. A fat rat sat on a mat. Now you read the words and say them aloud. Very nice. Yes, you have done good job. Thanks for watching this video. Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum.